This photo of Kamakya taken in 1903. The another photo of Kamakya taken in 1948. This picture of Ronghor was taken in 1903. This picture of Christ Church in Guwahati was taken before the earthquake in 1897. The photo of Panbazar in earliest time. Sukreshwar Temple Ghat in Guwahati in 1880s. Scenery of Dibrugarh Railway Station in 1880s. Guwahati Railway Station in 19th century. Sodia town of Tinsukia in old times. An old age bungalow during British period. GS Road in 1857 and GS Road in 19th century. Oldest picture of Golaghar during Ahom era. Established on 1957, this departmental store is in running condition till date. The rare oldest picture of Jorhat Town Junction. Rare photo of Assam Medical College. Jorhat in earliest time. An old photo of Tinsukia Junction. The Lidu Road was an overland connection between India and China, built during Second World War. The photo of Old British School Inspector Office situated at Jorhat. A photo of shifting tea in Assam. The photo of Assamese tea coolies at factory. An old photo of picking tea leaves. Photo capturing loading tea onto bamboo boats. And men with elephant and ox carts transporting tea.